Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix if the background color is not printing in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So while you are printing and the background of your document is not printing or not printed together with the text, so let's go in the easy process to fix this. Go ahead in the window search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document, or if this is your document, you just have to simply open your document directly and then just simply follow the next steps. Click on the File tab right here at the ribbon, the very first tab. Click on that, and then you have to scroll down and you will find this More on the left pane. Click on More, and here you will find Close Account and Options. Click on Options. Now the word options window will appear, and as you can see, there are different options on the left pane. Simply click on display. And here under printing options, you will find this option, print background colors and images. You just need to simply check that or enable that. And then after that, you just need to click on OK and then continue printing, and this time your issue will be fixed. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.